Welcome to online classes. I am Ranu, your maths teacher. I hope your last year homework has been completed. So let's proceed with a new topic today. The name of the topic is expanded form. So in expanded form, we write digits place value. So expanded form of any number tells us about how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones are there in number. Like have an example, 143 number is given here where digit 3 is placed at ones. So the place value of 3 will be 3 because it will multiply with 1. Let's understand here. So here is the number 143 where digit 3 is placed at ones and digit 4 is placed at tens and digit 1 is placed at hundreds. So the place value of digit 3 will be 3 because it will multiply with 1, because as it is placed at ones, so the place value of 3 will be 3. Now the place value of digit 4 will be 40 because it is placed at tens, so it will multiply with 10 and its place value will be 40. Now here the digit 1 is placed at 100, so its place value will be 100 because it will multiply with 100 as it is placed at hundreds, so its place value will be 100. Now when we add these all place value, we will get the same number. As you can see here, 3 here, by adding 4 with 0, here it will be 4 and here 1 will come. So here we got the number 143. So by adding their place values, we get the same number. So we can write this number 143 in expanded form. We can write it as 100, as 1 is placed at hundreds, plus 40 here, place value of 4 will be 40 here because as it is placed at tens, here you can see, and 3 is placed at ones, so the place value of 3 will be 3 here. So in this way, when we add all these 3 place value of these digits, we'll get the same number. So in expanded form, we can write its place value by putting the sign of addition here. So this is the expanded form of number 143. So in this way we can write any number in expanded form. So in this way, expanded form tells us how many hundreds are there in the number, how many tens are there and how many ones are there. So here 100 is there and 4 tens are there and 3 ones is here. Now let's start doing the exercise. Exercise number 1, write the numbers in expanded form. So here numbers are given and you have to write these numbers in expanded form. So how would you write 333 in expanded form? So as we all know, we write digits place value in expanded form and we put sign of addition between them, because by adding these place value we get the same number. So here what will we do? We will write their place value. So start from here. This is place of 100, this is place of tens and this is place of ones. So here how many hundreds are there? So the place value of 3 here, it is placed at hundreds and it is placed at tens and it is placed at ones. So the place value of 3 here, what it will be? it will be 300, because as it is placed at 100, so it will multiply with 100, so the place value will be 300. Now here this 3 is placed at tens, so the place value of this 3 will be 30, because it will multiply with 10, because as it is placed at tens. And here the place value of this 3 which is placed at ones, so the place value of this 3 will be same 3, because it will multiply with 1 as it is placed at ones. So here in this way we can write these numbers in expanded forms, and when we will add these all place values, we will get the same number. So here in this way we can do the next one also. Here 7 is placed at hundreds, 2 is placed at tens, and 9 is placed at ones. So the place value of 7 will be what? It will be 700, because as it is placed at hundreds, so it will multiply with 100. Now 2 is placed at tens, so the place value of 2 will be 20, because as it is placed at 10, so it will multiply with 10. So 2 multiply with 10, it will be 20 here. And 9 which is placed at ones, so here the place value of 9 will be 9, as it is placed at ones. So in this way we can do all these sums. We can write all these numbers in expanded forms. So let's check the another one. Here 4 is placed at hundreds, and 5 is placed at tens, and 1 is placed at ones. So here the place value of 4 will be 400, and the place value of 5 will be 50, and the place value of 1 will be 1. So now the next one, it is placed at 100, it is placed at tens, it is placed at ones. So here the place value of 6 will be here 600, and the place value of 7 will be 70, and the place value of 0 will be 0, as it is placed at ones. So in this way you all can do the rest of the numbers. You can all write these numbers in expanded forms. So it is your homework. Do this 1 2 3 4 numbers. Write these 4 numbers in expanded form as your homework. Now let's come to the next exercise, that is write the numbers in reduced form. So here the expanded form of numbers are already given, and here you have to write these expanded form in reduced form. So how would you write these numbers in reduced form? You will add these these place value of digits. You will get the reduced form. Now here when you will add 100 plus 70 plus 3, 100 plus 70 plus 3, you will get 3, 7 and 1, so you'll get the number 173. So this is your reduced form. This is expanded form and this is reduced form. So by adding the place value of all digits, you will get the number in reduced form. So the reduced form of 100 plus 70 plus 3 will be 173, which came by adding all these place values. Now in this way you can do the next one also. By adding 280 and 1, you will get 281, and when you will add 630 and 9, you will get 639. Now the next one is what? Here 400 plus 60 plus 8. So by adding all these place values, you can get the number 468. So in this way you all can do this for you can write these 4 numbers in reduced form. So with the help of expanded form, we all get to know how many hundreds are there in the number, how many tens are there in the number, and how many ones are there in the number. So I hope you all understood this chapter, and you all can do these 2 exercises as a homework. So please do this 2 exercises as a homework. Thank you.